paint blisters usually occur due to waterproofing failure. So before doing any repairs, make sure the area's waterproofing is properly fixed. Step 1. Clean the wall. Remove excess paint and any loose skim coat to create a clean and stable surface. Step 2. Apply Putty Master. If dents are deeper than 5 mm, apply another layer after 2 hours. This prevents cracking and ensures a strong, even build. Step 3. Once the surface is level, allow the Putty Master to fully cure for 2 to 3 hours. This ensures a smooth and seamless finish before sanding. Step 4. Sand evenly to achieve a flawless finish. Then brush off excess dust. And the best part? No need for primer. You can go straight to your top coat. With these simple steps, you get a surface that's smooth, durable, and ready for a premium finish. With Putty Master, no primer needed, just faster application, stronger results, and a top coat that truly stands out.